Hello students, today we will start chapter number 2 of geography. In this video we will be studying about globe and its advantages, what are latitudes, some important latitudes and heat zones of the earth. Let me start with the globe and its advantages. So globe is a true model miniature form of the earth. But globes are very small as compared to the Earth, but they are true model of the Earth. Fine. And there's a needle. If you will see, there's a needle fixed through the globe in a tilted manner. Fine. There is a needle. It's fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called axis. Fine. And 2 points on the globe through which the needle passes are 2 poles. These 2 points इनके बीच में से needle pass हो रही है, वो 2 poles हैं, North Pole and South Pole. Clear? Now let me continue with the advantages of globe. Here, number 1, it correctly represents the shape of the earth. Second, it shows the north and south pole exactly. This is the north pole and this is our south pole. And third thing is it shows the correct size and shape of the continents and oceans. And other advantages that it can show various relief features. Relief features कौन से होते हैं? हमारे mountains, plains, and other thing you can say plateaus. Fine. Now come to latitudes. Here, if you will see this diagram, there is a line. It's an imaginary line. We called it equator, and this equator it's always located at 0 degree, right? And what is the purpose of this line? It divides our Earth into two equal halves. That is, upper one part is known as northern hemisphere and the southern part is known as southern hemisphere. Fine. And there are other imaginary lines also which are running from east to west. And see, this is all about other important facts मैं आपको बता रही हूँ latitudes के कि ये इक्वेटर के पैरेलल में रन कर रही है, ईस्ट टू वेस्ट में ये रन करती हैं. और अगर हम इनके गैप की बात करें, डिस्टेंस की बात करें, that is always remain same. Fine. And these all are imaginary lines of latitudes and they all are making a circle. Fine. And they all are collectively known as band of latitudes. Fine. And latitudes are measured in degree. इनको हम degree में measure करते हैं and it's all about degree we'll study in next slide. But in this slide you can get to know about this. The equator is always located on 0 degree. Right? Since the distance from the equator to either of the poles is 1/4 of a circle around the earth, it will measure 360 डिग्री. अगर हम इस सर्कल पूरे सर्कल की बात करें तो ये पूरा ही सर्कल हमारा 360 डिग्री का बनता है. फाइन. तो जो नॉर्थ पोल, अगर हम नॉर्थ लैटिट्यूड की बात करें, नॉर्थ पोल ऑलवेज लोकेटेड ऑन 90 डिग्री एंड साउथ पोल ऑल्सो located on the 90 degree. Fine. So all parallels north to the equator are called north latitudes and all parallels south of the equator called south latitudes. Fine. Now come to important latitudes. Important facts about the latitudes. See, these are some important latitudes. Number 1 is equator. I told you it's our most significant latitude and it divides our earth, divides the globe, can say, into two equal halves. Fine. that is northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Now let me tell you about the important parallels of latitudes. There are four important parallels of latitudes. Number one is Tropic of Cancer. If you see about the degree, fine, इसकी डिग्री होती है 23.5 नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर. हम यहाँ पे नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर इसलिए बोल रहे हैं क्योंकि इट्स लोकेटेड ऑन द नॉर्थ साइड. अनदर लैटिट्यूड इज ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न. अगर हम इसकी भी डिग्री की बात करें तो इट्स ऑल located on 23.5 degree, but letter is S. It means it is located in the southern hemisphere. So let me tell you about one thing also, that is N represent north side and the S alphabet represent south side. Fine. Next term is Arctic Circle. If we talk about the degree of Arctic Circle, it is 63.5 degree north, fine, of the equator, and Arctic Circle जो है इसकी डिग्री हम बात करेंगे तो 66.5 south of the equator. So this slide is about important latitudes, that is equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Clear? Now come to next term. Here is a different slide for you, that is heat zones of the earth. हमने प्रीवियस स्लाइड में पढ़ा कि जो ये हमारे इम्पोर्टेंट लैटिट्यूड्स हैं, इन्हीं की वजह से हमारी जो अर्थ है डिफरेंट जोन्स में डिवाइडेड है. ठीक है, तो उन जोन्स के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में आपको बताने वाली हूँ. दैट इज there are 3 zones of the earth. Number 1 is torrid zone. Now second is temperate zone, and third is frigid zone. Fine. So let me continue with the torrid zone. Torrid zone का अदर नेम अगर हम बात करें तो ये है hottest zone. hottest zone होता है, hottest region of the earth होता है. ठीक है, अगर हम इसकी लोकेशन की बात करें so it lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn in the both hemisphere. Fine. और ये सबसे ज़्यादा गर्म रहता है. Reason behind this, it receives maximum heat and the midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes of this region. So it receives maximum heat and this zone is known as torrid zone as well as hottest zone. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करें टेम्परेट जोन, यहाँ पर क्या होता है. ओके, लेट मी क्लियर all these terms via diagram. Fine. Here is the diagram. See, this is a diagram. This term, the region located near the equator, जो भी रीजन हमारे इक्वेटर के नियर है, they are hottest zone because they are receiving maximum sun rays. Fine. And this zone lies between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Clear? Next is temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle. आपको दिख रहा होगा टेम्परेट जोन है, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर और आर्कटिक सर्कल northern hemisphere, and it also lies in between Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in southern hemisphere. इस जोन में क्या होता है, the midday sun never shines overhead on any latitude of this region, but it experiences slanting rays of the sun throughout the year. This is because द एंगल ऑफ द सन रेज गोज ऑन डिक्रीजिंग टुवर्ड द पोल्स, ठीक है। जब तक सन की रेज पोल्स तक पहुंचती है वो थोड़ा सा स्लांटिंग हो जाती है और वो थोड़ा सा डिक्रीज हो जाती है। तो ये रीजन का हम अदर नेम दे देते हैं जो है टेम्परेट जोन, और डिफरेंट अदर नेम इज आल्सो इट्स हैविंग दैट इज मॉडरेट जोन। इट्स बिकॉज इट्स हैविंग मॉडरेट काइंड ऑफ टेम्परेचर, जिसको हम कहते हैं कि ना ज़्यादा ये ठंडा होता है और ना ज़्यादा गर्म होता है। ओके, नाउ कम टू फ्रिजिड जोन. If we talk about the location of frigid zone, this zone lies between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole. Above side it's a North Pole and the south side it's a South Pole. So frigid zone is lies between Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere. Same condition applies on southern hemisphere, that is it lies in between the Antarctic Circle and South Pole. Fine. And in this area, the sun does not rise much above the horizon, and the sun rays are very slanting. And these are the zone which are very cold, and these are the coldest regions of the earth. This yellow one. Clear? Hope you understand that frigid zone is the coldest zone, temperate is a moderate, ना ज़्यादा ठंडी होती है यहाँ पर ना ज़्यादा गर्मी, and the torrid zone, it is the hottest zone of the earth. Fine. So students, it's all about the chapter part 1 of this chapter. Here I have discussed latitude. Another part will discuss about the longitude, right? So finally, let's quickly summarize what we have studied today. So I told you about the globe and its importance or advantage, can say. Next, I told you about the latitudes, that is equator. I told you about the important facts of the latitudes, right? That they are parallel to each other, and they are making a circle, and the main important latitude is a equator, and it's always located on the 0 degree, right? And the circle, it makes 360 degree का आपका circle होता है. Another slide, I told you about the important latitudes that are equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole and South Pole. Another, I told you about heat zones of the Earth. In this, we have discussed about 3 terms, that is torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. So it's all about the latitudes that I made here, diagram for you. This line is Tropic of Cancer, the center one is equator, Tropic of Capricorn, that is always located on the southern hemisphere. Then Antarctic Circle, Arctic Circle. Fine. Hope you understand this part, this video. In next video, we'll discuss about longitude. Fine. Till then, stay safe and all the best.